Ooh, this is Creative Inspirational Talk Series. Coronavirus, COVID-19 is gonna be over. COVID-19 is gonna be over. This is Creative Inspirational Talk Series. Ooh, review series on the midweek, on the midday. It's gonna be alright. Yeah, I'll be serious. Okay, this is Creative Inspirational Talk Series, official talk series number 21. Welcome. God bless you all for the support so far. I love you all. You guys are the real MVPs. Sincerely speaking, I appreciate you for everybody that have been sharing my talk series. I know some of you are just seeing my face. Real. This is my real face. So after a long time, yes, this is me. And as I was about to record this video, I remember the less privileged, the blind, the deaf, the motherless, these people. Please, let's always remember them. I felt very sad. I was like, please, let's always help them. There are people that are sincerely in need in this period of COVID-19. Let's remember them. So let me move to my talk series. There are some things you didn't get in the audio series you will get here. I'll give you the date of release and I'll be more explicit as I promised in my audio series. So talk series number 1, we looked at multitasking and potential maximization. What is multitasking? We perform different tasks at the same time. How do you perform different tasks at the same time? That is multitasking. You do different things. As human beings, there are times when you do different things. How are you able to coordinate yourself to get different things done? Potential talks about the innate ability in you. I call it peak is in you, that thing in you. How do you make use of the potential? Do you just allow it to rot? Do you just allow it to lie to waste or to use it? That's the question. I talk about the graveyard being the richest place. There are a lot of lost resources. There are a lot of untapped resources, things that have died. Make use of your potential. You have the brain capacity. You have everything. I talked about autistic people. I gave example of Spasha. I gave example of the winner of America's Got Talent 2019. There is certainly no excuse that you can't maximize your potential. There is certainly no reason to say. Then talk series 2, we looked at age is just a number. Being consistent as your age progresses in life. How consistent can you be? How consistent can you be as you move in life? It's not about your age. It's about consistency in your effort so that you will get experience. Experience is what you stand you out. We have many organizations in the corporate world today. They demand people that have experience. They will say 2-3 years experience, 4-5 years experience. How do you get this experience? You get this experience from getting things done, not from not doing anything. So make sure you get things done. Don't procrastinate. I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it next year. Brother, sister, uncle, auntie, child, adult. Before you know, you might get old though. I'm really. On the more serious note, you might get old. So don't procrastinate. Procrastination is a success killer. Procrastination is a dream killer. Procrastination is a destiny destroyer. So don't procrastinate. Do it now. Don't wait till you get old. Then we move to talk series 3. That was our March bonus 1, where we talk about check and balance, balancing your life. How do you balance your life? Check and balance. There are things you want to do. There are things you want to achieve. How do you balance these things? How do you balance this thing? How do you go back and check? I recommend doing every 2 days or every day. Check yourself. How far have I gone? How far have I been? Mathematically, we have equations. And in equation, they will tell you do check and balance to be sure that you are correct. So how do you check your life? Nobody is perfect. Nobody is a known ranger. That's why it's good to check. Then we move to talk series number 4. In talk series 4, we looked at decision making, being firm and resolute. In economics, they tell you we make different form of decision. But how are you firm with your decision? How are you firm with your decision? Do you know what you want? Do you just allow people to shake you anyhow? You should know what you want. There are some decisions you know that is not good for you. Say no to them. Don't say yes. There are some things you know are good. Say yes to them. I gave you examples. So you don't waste time on decision. Things that are good, make good decision of it. Then we move to talk series number 5, making a difference in life. How do you make a difference in your life? Mr. Wish, Mrs. Wish, you wish this, you wish that, but you don't think on what you can do. I wish coronavirus is gone. I wish there is diamond everywhere. But what can you do? What can you do to be part of the solution? What can you do to be part of the solution? That's the point. It's not about what you wish. It's not about I wish the world is like this, I wish the world is like that. What can you do? What can you contribute? I told you, in this world we have over 7 billion people, but only a few have made their footprint in this world. Do you want to be part of those few? Then strive to make a difference. Strive to make a difference in this world. Don't just, there is no disadvantage. I live in a slum area, I live in this. Is that an excuse? It's definitely not an excuse. You can make a difference in this 21st century. Then we have a lot of people now, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, Dangote, Fọlọ́run Ṣọ́, Alakija, all these people, they've tried their best. They are still trying their best. You too can be it. Then we move further to talk series number 6. Time will tell. Time measures things in life. Time measures how things happen in life. Time is a continuous variable. So you don't expect that you get instant gratification when you do things. Don't do things and expect result back. Things takes time. Things takes process for it to happen. There is a process that the farmer has to wait before he get his produce. There is time. Do you understand? So you need to give whatsoever you are doing time. You need to give whatsoever you are doing time. It doesn't just come like magic. Then we move to talk series number 7. Did you know part 1? If you can remember, we talk about general knowledge things, general knowledge stuffs. General knowledge stuffs. Did you know? So I told you I'm not a motivational speaker per se. I'm a life development coach all round. So that's why we do the Did you know? Then we move to talk series 8. Decision making, being firm, love and relationship matters. Love and relationship matters. How do you make good decision when it comes to love and relationship matter? We make relationship in our home, families, social gatherings, in different places you find yourself. How are you careful with making rational choices? Don't just say because I love this man, then you let yourself be blinded by love and you make irrational choices. Be careful. So we looked at that in love and relationship matters. Then we move to talk series number 9. Do not fear. I talk about fear being fantasized experiences appearing with. There are things you fantasize, there are things you imagine in your heart that even before it has happened, some people have killed themselves before the final battle. Before things happen, they've already found out, how this? No. Don't be so dramatic. No. You need to remove that fear. Fear is like a stumbling block. It's like that thick wall that will stand between where you are and your success lane. Are you ready to pass through that thick wall to get to success, or are you ready to be as if the fear has magnetized you to the failure zone? Fear is like a magnet. It can magnetize you to the failure zone. From that book, Jack Canfield, from his book How to Get From Where You Are to Where You Want to Be, I didn't tell you in the audio series. This is the YouTube, so you are getting more. Then I talked to talk series 10. We looked at Did You Know part 2, also on general knowledge and all that. Then talk series number 11, we looked at decision making, graduating from comfort zone. Comfort zone is an area of mediocrity. How do you go away from those things that gives you comfort in life, from those places that you are self-comfortable? How do you move away from those things? Comfort zone is also like fear that will make you not to rise above normalcy in your life. I give an example. There are some people that can sleep for Africa. They can sleep. Sleepers. Sleeping is good, fine, but for instance, you sleep for 10 hours, you sleep for 9 hours, and you realize you can shelve off 2-3 hours and use that time to focus more on your purpose. Why can't you? That is comfort zone for you. Sleep. Some is watching TV. Different form of laziness. Comfort zone. So you need to rise above it. Then we move to talk series number 12. That was our March bonus 2. Second bonus in March, where we looked at others' good books, men pleasers. You always want others to be pleased with you. I want that man to be pleased. I want that woman to be pleased. At the detriment of your own dream, at the detriment of your own aspiration, you need to be careful. If you are sure, if you have that deep conviction that this is what God wants me to do, this is my divine purpose in life, weigh up these things. Though I don't dispel that there are positive criticism, there are good feedbacks that you can get. Fine, you make use of those ones, but negative vibes, say no to them. Let me hear you say yeah. So every negative vibe, say no to them. Let me hear you say yeah. Then we move to talk series number 13, March bonus 3, where we looked at God is involved. God is the supernatural force behind things happening in life. God is the supernatural power. So don't ever doubt it. Don't ever doubt it. God is mighty. God is awesome. And there are things that you don't even expect can happen, but God can make it to take place. That's the supernatural part. So trust in God, reference God, believe in Him, and He will make these things to come to pass. Then we move to talk series number 14. The first series we had in April, this month of April 2020, where we looked at mind programming. How do you program your mind to react to certain situations? How do you harden, in quote, or you soften your mind to react to certain things that happens to you? Talk series 14. So you need to react. Some things that happen should not shock you. You need to have programmed your mind to expect the unexpected. If you fail, it shouldn't shock you. You should have programmed your mind to expect the unexpected, unexpectable, in quotes. Anyhow I want to put it. Then move to talk series 15. That was April bonus one. The first bonus in this month of April. Even though storm arises, there are different storms of life. There are different challenges of life. Do you allow it to weigh you down? Even though storm arises, there can be a smiling time. There can be a good time. There can be an awesome time. It doesn't matter the storm. It doesn't matter whatsoever you are passing through now. There's a smiling time. There's an awesome time, and you need to stay focused on that. Then we move to talk series 16, where we look at Did You Know part 3. So that was also on general knowledge. Like I said, I'm not a motivational speaker per se. I'm a life development coach. So I'm focused about your all-round development. That's why I focused on that, on the Did You Know. So general knowledge. Then move to talk series number 17. In talk series number 17, what did we look at? We looked at multitasking and potential maximization part 2. That was a sequel to my talk series 1. Just because that my talk series 1 was multitasking and potential maximization part 1. So this is part 2. There I started with the idea of sub point. General point, the God factor. God is important in everything you do. Then sub point, I looked at having a goal in life. You need to have a goal. Have a picture of what you want to achieve. If it's to get a goal book, write it down. Then we now looked at taking action. I might have the wackest plan, in quotes, but if I spice it up with action, it's okay. I'm okay. Then network. There are people that can help you to maximize your potential. You want to be a good pianist, you want to be a good instrumentalist, there are good instrumental teachers. You want to be a good footballer, there are football trainers, football coaches that can help you. You want to be a good cooker, chef, you want to know how to cook, there are people that can help you, and so on and so forth. Then move to talk series number 18, from the secret to the open. We also looked at, I think we looked at 4 sub points and 1 general heading, which is on the God factor yet again. So God can make you to be successful. So God, don't weigh back the influence of God in your life. Then you give things to open. This talk series 18 is a sequel to talk series 6, Time Will Tell, which I talked earlier on. So give time for these things to happen. You don't just do things and expect result. Bam. It takes time. So successful pursuit in life takes time, but the effort you put bet what you see in the secret, while the performance or result bet what you see in the open. So you got to be careful. Then you move to talk series 19. Do you know how old I am? Those people who let their age get into their age. Do you know how old I am? Do you know this? Do you know that? Don't be too focused on that. Do you know how old I am? Do you know me? Do you know that? Be very, very careful. Build your worth. Life will respect you more for your worth, for your impact, not for your age. Culture might respect your age, but life will respect you more for that. I told you how I improved in mathematics in my school. I became very good. I represented my school in mathematics competition. Life respected me more from that. Even some of my seniors, the school, they respected me even more than some of my seniors because of that impact I had in that school. Mark Zuckerberg, he has impact in Facebook. Emmanuela, Mackenzie Comedy, different people like that. Then we move to talk series 20, which round up the part 1 of this thing I'm doing review, which was mind programming part 2. I talked about input in your mind is mathematically equal to what you will get. Then the fact that you need to remove every virus-like things in your mind. There are virus things in your mind. You need to remove them. You need to take them off. Then the fact that don't never underestimate the efficacy of environmental factors. Your friends, the old and new environment you are in the background, different stuff like that. So I hope you've gained. The talk series 1 was released on February 25th 2020. Talk series 2, February 25th 2020 was on a Tuesday. Talk series 2 was released on a Saturday, February 29th 2020. Talk series 3 was released on a Tuesday. That was March 3rd, 2020. Talk Series 4 was released on a Wednesday, March 4th, 2020. Talk Series 5 was released on a Saturday, March 7th, 2020. Talk Series 6 was released on a Wednesday, March 11th, 2020. Talk Series 7 was released on a Saturday, March 14th, 2020. Talk Series 8 was released on a Wednesday, March 18th, 2020. Talk Series 9 was released on a Saturday, March 21, 2020. Talk Series 10 was released on a Wednesday, March 25, 2020. Talk Series 11 was released on a Saturday, March 28, 2020. Talk Series 12 was released on a Monday, which was our March bonus to March 30th, 2020. Talk Series 13 was released on a Tuesday, March 31st, 2020. Talk Series 14 was released on a Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. Talk Series 15 was released on a Thursday, April bonus 1, April 2nd, 2020. Talk Series 16 was released on a Saturday, April 4th, 2020. Talk Series 17 was released on a Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. Talk Series 18 was released on a Saturday, April 11th, 2020. Talk Series 19 was released on a Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. And Talk Series 20 was released on a Saturday, April 18th, 2020. So hope you've gained on that. You've seen the date I did the Talk Series. It's been God all through, and I'm pretty much grateful to God, because I must tell you sincerely, it is God that made all these things to take place, and I'm really grateful. Thank you for following through in this 17 minutes video. It's been cool. So let's just now see, there are things that I know you are facing. There are some challenges you are facing. You can DM me. My official graphics is out, so you can DM me on 09098 901770, or DM me on my Instagram at Ogbeni Creative, or on Facebook message me Ogunkayode Oluwaseyi Simeon, or on Twitter at Creative Ogbeni. So any of these my social network, or you can mail me ogunkayode.oluwaseyi@gmail.com is on this post. So it's on this post, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, this YouTube page that you are using to watch this creative inspirational concept. Please don't forget to subscribe. I love you all. Please, I want you to grow. All these things, practicalize them. Don't just hear them. I'm not here to motivate, speak you. Talk Series 22 is on the way. God bless you all. I love you all.